Question number 8. The variable here is dependent on t. So what will I have? d by dt. இப்போ x differentiate பண்ணா d by dt of x is going to be d by dt of a times cos t plus log tan t divided by 2. So a is a constant. I'll take that out. Cos t oda derivative enna? It is going to be minus sin t plus log of tan t by 2. So இந்த இடத்துல log இருக்கு, tan இருக்கு, t by 2 இருக்கு. So log differentiate பண்ணா I'll have 1 divided by tan t by 2. Then I have to differentiate tan, which is going to be secant square. So secant square t by 2 times t by 2 differentiate panna I'll have 1 by 2. Clear? So this is chain differentiation. So in here, what am I left with? A times minus sin t plus half secant square t by 2 divided by tan t by 2. So this is my dx by dt. I'm going to further simplify this. So a times minus sin t plus half secant square t by 2. And what is tan t by 2? 1 by tan t by 2 is cot t by 2. Cot t divided by 2. 1 by tan is cot. Correct? Now, this further simplify panna a times minus sin t, it remains the same. 1 by 2. Secant square t by 2 is 1 by cos square t divided by 2 times cot t by 2 and it is going to be cos divided by sin. So cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2. So I can cancel cos t by 2 and one of the cos t by 2. So I will be left to denominator a times minus sin t plus 1 divided by 2 cos t by 2 sin t divided by 2. So what is 2 sin cos? It is going to be sin 2t. Correct? You know this formula. You know that sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t. In the இடத்துல t by 2 இருக்கு. அவ்வளவுதான் difference. So what is this? A times minus sin t plus 1 divided by sin t. LCM எடுத்தா I'll have a times minus sin square t plus 1 divided by sin t. 1 minus sin square t என்ன? What other relation do you know? 1 minus sin square t is going to be cos square t. Correct? Sin square t plus cos square t is 1. So 1 minus sin square t is going to be cos square t. So I'll have a times cos square t divided by sin t. So this is my dx by dt. I found out what my dx by dt is. Now I need to find my dy by dt, which is going to be d by dt of a sin t, which is very, very simple. So a sin t differentiate panna d by dt of a sin t. A is a constant. D by dt of sin t is going to be cos t. Now I need to do dy by dx, which is going to be dy by dt divided by dx by dt, which is going to be a cos t divided by a cos square t divided by sin t, the simplified version. So what will I be left with? Cos t and one of the cos t will get cancelled. A and the a will get cancelled. So I have 1 divided by cos by sin, which is going to be sin by cos. Sin t divided by cos t, which is going to be tan t. Okay, so this is my final answer. Please copy. Question number 9. The variable of differentiation is theta here. So I'll have to do d by d theta. Panalama? So d by d theta of x is going to be d by d theta of a secant theta. A is a constant. Secant theta derivative is going to be secant theta tan theta. You need to remember all the derivatives by heart. Okay. Appo y ku enna irukku? D by d theta of y is going to be d by d theta of b tan theta. B is a constant. Tan theta derivative is secant square theta. So this is my dy by d theta. Now I need to do dy by dx, which is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So which is going to be b secant square theta divided by a secant theta tan theta. So the secant theta and the secant theta will get cancelled. So I'll be left with b divided by a times secant theta divided by tan theta, which is b divided by a times secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta times 1 by tan theta can be written as cot theta. Cot theta another cos by sin. So I'll have b by a times 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta. So the cos and the cos will get cancelled. So I'll have b by a times 1 by sine is cosecant. So I'll have cosecant theta. So this is my dy by dx. Okay, please copy. Very, very straightforward in the question law. Only the 7th question was a little longer, but aduvume substitution correct ah panna you'll get the answer. Okay, this is all very, very direct substitution.